Okay, the next problem will continue. Same page number 42, the question number 2. You can see the figure here, one quadrilateral given. The name is not given, you can choose the name A, B, C, D. In that, three angles also given, 105, 55 and 110. The last, fourth one is missing. Now we'll see what we have to do. For each diagonal of the quadrilateral shown, for each diagonal means here not given, we have to just showing by drawing the dotted line. One diagonal here, the second diagonal here. For each diagonal of the quadrilateral shown, check whether the other two corners are inside, on or outside the circle with that diagonal as a diameter. So what you have to do here is, first you have to take one diameter. If I take AC as a diameter, I am taking AC as a diameter, so that through that diameter I am going to draw a circle like this I am drawing. If that circle is drawn, you have to say whether D where and B where, whether inside, on or outside, like that. Second diameter, this is the second diameter, BD is the second diameter. So when I take this as a diameter, I can draw the circle like this circle I can draw. That time, angle A and angle C, where it is coming, you have to write inside, outside or on the circle, like that. Before doing all those things, here one thing is missing, the angle. The fourth angle is missing, we have to find out that. After that only we can do everything. Now the finding missing angle is D. How can we find the missing angle D? You know that it is a quadrilateral. Sum of the angles of all the quadrilateral is how much? It is 360. So we can minus the sum of these three angles from the 360. So that 360 minus first angle 105 plus second angle 55 plus third angle 110. So this sum we can minus from 360. Why? Because all the sum together when you add, you should get 360. So that 360 minus, add all these, totally 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carries 5, 6, 7 here, and 1, 2, 270. This when you add, you are getting 270. Now minus it, you are getting as 90 degree. So that angle D, how much here? It is 90 degree you will get. So here 90 degree. So that is got. Now we can take, if what they told, two diagonals we have to take it as a diameter. First I am taking AC, dotted line AC. If AC is a diameter, then if AC is a diameter, the circle is going this way. Now angle D and angle B you have to say. Angle B is how much? 55 degree. If AC is a diameter, B and D we have to focus. Now B is 55 degree, whether outside, on or inside. 55 means which one? It is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means where it will be? Angle B will be outside. Outside the circle. Because we know it is less than 90 degree, that is the reason. Now B over, next to D, angle D. Angle D is how much? 90 degree. So it is clear. Now 90 degree means it is always on the circle. So it is on the circle. So that 2 over. Now we have to take another diameter, AC over next one, BD. If BD is a diameter, then BD is a diameter means you have to focus on A and C. So angle A is how much? 105 degree. So it is more than 90. More than 90 means it will come inside. It is inside the circle. Next, angle C. Angle C how much? 110. It is also more than 90. So this is also same. It is inside the circle. So these all are important. Any kind of question can be asked. But only the thing is, you have to keep it in mind. If it is 90 on the circle, if it is less than 90, it will be outside. If it is more than 90, it will be inside. That concept you have to keep it in mind. Okay, next we will continue chord, angle and arc. So what we studied previous topic, that is a circle, you have a diameter if you draw, and if you join a point on the circle, you are getting a triangle that is a 90 degree. And also I can say that, which is this is a diameter, you formed one right angle triangle. Same way you can form down also. Here also you can form a 90 degree here. Okay, so same way, not only one here, if I draw here also, you're getting another 90 degree. If I draw here, you're getting another 90 degree. That means if you draw any triangle using this diameter, everywhere you're getting 90 degree only. Means these all angles are equal. If I show you here also, here getting 90, here getting 90. That is because this is a diameter. Here getting 90 degree. So this you have to keep it in mind. Everywhere the angles which are forming above the diameter, everywhere it's 90 degree. Now that is keep aside. Now we'll move on to the next one. That is, you have a circle and drawing a chord itself, but before we have drawn a diameter. Now I am drawing which is not a diameter. Whether this is a diameter? No, it is not a diameter, just a chord. So this is a chord I am drawing. Now same way what I did here, same way I am going to do here. Drawing another triangle, one triangle here, joining these two, so that you will get an angle here. Whether it is 90 degree? No, it is not a 90 degree because this chord is not a diameter. If it is diameter only, that angle will be 90. So this is not a 90 degree. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. At the same time, I can draw another triangle here, and here you will get one angle. But whatever angle, these two, they will be equal. And if I draw here another triangle, you are getting another angle. These three angles also equal because it is forming from the same chord. These angles all forming from the same chord. If I am drawing another one here, these all will be same angles. If I example, for example, this is 60 degree means here 60, this also 60, here 60, this also 60. And also I can show you another angle forming down also. Down also forming another angle. But this will not be 60, okay? This will not be 60. But if I join another one, here also forming another angle. But these two will be equal. Same way how I shown here, 66, 60, same way these two will be equal. That how much I'll show you here, what will be the relation between these two, I'm going to show here. Now, triangle you take, you have a chord, same chord I'm drawing, an angle here, 60. And the same angle forming here, this one means down angle forming will not be equal, okay? So down angle forming. Now I want to find out this angle. Okay, the same as I take 60 degree here. What will be this angle you have to find out. That is nothing but this both opposite angles will be, sum will be 180 degree. So 180 means what will be this one? That is 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60, how much it will be? 0, 2, 1. It is 120. So 120 degree. So that means if you have the opposite angle 60 degree, then the opposite of the down will be 120, which means 180. When you add, you have to get 180 there. 180 minus 60 will be 120. So same way, you can see here, if this is 60, this will be 120 here, 120. So same, no, here all angles will be same. So this is 120 degree, like this it will come. Now the next concept, we can see here. Okay, now this angle and the central angle. What is this one actually? The same figure I have drawn, but here center I have taken. I have taken the center and joined that line like this. So this is called central angle. And now you have one relation between these two, central angle and this angle. That is complementary arc, I can say, or arc, alternate, whatever it is. So these two will have the one relation. Now for example, I am not taking 60, I am taking 70. Any angle I can take, 70. If this is 70, you don't know what comes here down. You know what comes here. If I draw one more line, in one angle will form, what will be that you know. But before that, 70 degree. Then what comes here? Central angle will be double of this. Always central angle will be double of this. That is 140 degree. Means 70 plus 70, 140. So that is the case. Now I am going to show this one here. This I am drawing. One angle forming. So what you know that 70 means here what will be? When you add these two, you have to get 180. So 180 minus 70, how much it will be? 8 minus 7, 110. So this will be 110. So these are the main thing you should know from this chapter. Means which all angle, how to find out. That is very, very important. A big question can be asked to find out each and every angle. So these are all concepts you have to use there. So these chord you have, the angle forming on the complementary arc, that will be equal. Here upper side everything will be equal, downside whatever angle we have, that will be equal. And this two have a relation that is showing here. This and this, when you add, you have to get 180. So 180 minus 60, 120 you will get. And again one more, if you take a central angle here, central angle and the complementary arc will have the angle will have this relation, that is double of the 70. Central angle will be double of this complementary angle. This complementary angle means we told no, the arc which is called complementary arc. So 70 means 140. So this will be 180 minus 70, 110.